First question for you. How many books have you read so far in 2026? One, two, three, or four, or zero? Maybe I'm wrong. You must have read many books. At least you would have finished one book. Okay. In my case, I would have finished four books in 2026, especially in the first month. And in this month, this is my fifth book. And this book, which I am reading nowadays, it is The Art of Being Alone. And to be honest, this book is for beginners, intermediate, advanced speakers. It can be read by everyone because the kind of content is written in this book is suitable for everyone. If you are somebody who feels lonely in your life, who loves living in loneliness, but you are confused that there's some reason, there are some reasons because of which there's no friend there, you don't have any friends, or maybe you have that kind of personality. So if you want to just overcome all your confusions, then this book is going to help you. The Art of Being Alone, written by Renuka Gaurani. Yeah, let's come to the point why I am here. So today, as you can see in this video, I have this book and I am reading this book, which is written by Renuka Gaurani, The Art of Being Alone. So I just want to ask from you, do you read books every day for your communication or not? If not, then you are making a very big mistake, because if you are not into the habit of reading this book, then you are going to regret a lot. Because if somebody who doesn't read, then you are just missing the chance for learning new words, new sentences, new phrases, new daily sentence structures on daily basis, because reading really helps you. On the top of that, reading is the only one thing which really helps you to for practicing your jaw muscle, your mind, your mouth, everything. So if you still feel like reading it's such a boring habit, then you are wrong. You are 100% wrong, because this is the one and only habit which helps you to come across right sentences, correct sentence structures, phrases, vocabulary. You also get to know how and in which context a particular word or a particular sentence, a particular phrase is used in a book while reading. So you come across many things. And ever since I have started reading, I initially it was not so good journey. It was really very I was really very bad in creating this habit. But just because of back then I forced myself, though it was really arduous for me, but just because of I really forced myself to sit and read at least for 5 or 10 minutes. So I kept reading. I just kept on reading, and that's why now I don't read a lot in a day, like 2 hours, 3 hours, 1 hour, but at least I read at least 10 pages a day. And this makes me to feel, yes, I'm doing my job. And to be honest, sometimes when I find very good book for me or very interesting book for me, so in that case I can read 50 pages or more than 50 pages in a day. So it becomes on your interest. So as I have mentioned, when I find some interesting books, so I can read 50 pages a day. So the same thing goes for you. When it comes to developing this habit of reading books, first of all you need to get to know about your interest. What is your interest? What kind of books do you like? Do you like self-help books, story books, psychology books? What kind of books do you like? Money related books. There are many books available. The thing is that you need to focus on what is your personal interest. And after knowing your interest, then you it totally up to you. What kind of books do you want to read? If you want to read books online or offline, then it's totally up to you. But I would say you should prefer only offline books, because when we read books online, then sometime your gadgets they create problem, because sometimes you get notifications, somebody your notification it pops up on your screen and you find it distracting for you. So if you don't want to go through all these issues, so it's better to get a book, as I am doing right now. I have a book in my hand, personal book, and I am reading through this book, so there's no distraction at all. So you can go for this. And I'm just assuring you, once you will develop this habit of reading books at least for 10 minutes every day, you will find now you are improving day by day, because you are coming across many things, and the way you articulate your ideas, you all get, you get all those things from books only. Because in books, the kind of ideas is written, you can describe after reading your books. Reading your books, it's not only for reading books. After that, you can practice on your own, like I have read a chapter, first chapter, okay, then after reading this chapter, just close your book, keep it aside, and then we have to revise at least once in our mind. We have to go through the content which I have read. I have to think deeply what I'm saying. I have to think wisely. I have to be mindful what I have read. I have to find out the useful content from that book which I have read, and then I have to use it in my day to day life. And in this way, I and you, both of us, will be able to make our life, to make these books useful for us. Because books are not there only for doing speaking practice, books are here for giving you insights. The thing, people who have written these books, they had to go through experiences, many things, many challenges, and after their own experiences, depending on their experiences, they have written these books. Okay, so you are supposed to leverage it. If you will not do right now, then you will definitely regret it. It's better to go through it's not better to go through the hardships. It's better to learn from others' hardships. It's better to learn from others' life experiences. So, this is the thing that I really want to do. You should read books every day, and reading is not just about reading. Each and every sentence that you read, you have to feel it. You have to say it with emotions. Then only you will be able to use the content while communicating. Until you feel it deeply, whatever you are speaking, your whole body should be aligned while reading the books, like your mind, your hand, your mouth, your eyes, your ears, because while reading, all your five senses are working. Okay, so you have to read it perfectly every single day for 5 minutes or 10 minutes, and then slowly and gradually changes will be seen in your case, as well as it is doing tremendous thing in others life, it will do in yours as well.